sensor and the chips are there, which will collect all the sensory, all the signals from our brain and send it to our computer. So this is the mirrorless electrode. These are small electrodes and wires which will detect the signal from our brain. So mechanism are the threads and the electronics. These are type of threads which will very much smaller and which will detect all the smaller signals connected to our brains. So threads are ultra thin flexible polymer, contains electrodes and will transport the information and signal to the transmitter. Then electronics. The electronics are built around the Neuralink custom application specification ingredient circuit consists of 256 individually. So the all the mechanism can be integrated or can be changed according to the users. So there is a robot which will place or perform the operational part. So we have to place the chip in our head. So normal humans cannot operate all this type of small thing. So a robot Neuralink developed. So Neuralink has developed robotics inserting approach for inserting flexible probes, allowing fast and reliable inserting large number of threads, targeting to avoid vascular and disorders brain lesions. So as you can see, the robot is performing a operation in a mouse. So it is a brain of the mouse and it's a small electrodes are going into the brain cells and it will collect all the data. So they already made the first test on a pig and then the second test was performed by a monkey. So in this first test, you can see brain signals are coming from a pig which is working on a treadmill. So this is the real actual signal of a pig is working, and this is the signal which is collected by the Neuralink. So you can see all the data is perfectly matching. So that means the Neuralink is working. So this is the second demo, which was a monkey playing a simple game without a joystick. This is the code. This is playing the game to win and get the food. So there is no joystick around here. He is playing by his brain without any joystick. So features we can provided by the Neuralink technology. So hand-free device control. So as you can see, you can control devices directly from our brain. And second is prosthetic control. So if you have an accident or you lose any hand or arm, so you can just use a prosthetic and a Neuralink will help to control the prosthetic leg and hands. Sleep cycle monitoring. Like you are sleeping and your sleep cycle will be monitored by the device. Also brain monitoring and disabled person. So like people disabled with mental diseases, they can be monitored through this Neuralink device so that they can provide proper medication for them. Curing neural diseases, that's the same. So the advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are this type of diseases we can just cure through the Neuralink technology. But there is some disadvantages like the electronics device inside.
Advantages Alzheimer, dementia, spinal cord injuries. use
So the only disadvantage is the electronic device inside a human skull is not being acceptable by large amount of people across some countries. And the second one is robot performing the operation. So it is not a properly acceptable for everyone.
Yes.
So future application could be much more vast, like visual prosthetic. If you are not born blind, so if you lose your eye, so you have that cortex in your brain. So if we implant the Neuralink in your head, so it can get info from a camera and send it to your human brain. So you can see without any eyes. Then telepathy, we can talk without any mouth movement or something. Then oscilloscope, then like oscilloscope just detects electrical signals, so we can just monitor our brain signals also. Then nostalgia on demand. So this is a very vast thing. So we remember or anything you remember or just dream something. So they are hoping like they could just save the dream or download like you are watching a dream in the dream like you are sleeping, and they can just monitor the dream what are doing. They can just see it in through screen. And the conclusion is this technology could be less help people who are paralyzed with spinal or brain injuries by giving them the ability to control computerized devices with their mind. This would be provide paraplegics, quadriplegics, and stroke victims liberating expertise and doing things by themselves. Now we are just able to get the signal from our brain, but in the future we can input signal to our brain. So this could be a very big technology for our future. Yes, please. So this is all about the Neuralink technology. If you have any question, you can ask.
So basically, this is a futuristic thing, right? So whatever till today developed is not 100%.
Where you place the robot?
Hello?
Where you place the robot? Inside the brain or?
Inside the brain.
So robot is going.
So
Robot is good place.
basically, this is a futuristic technology.
Robot is there.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ as of today, how many let's say stroke happened to people? ଯେଉଁମାନଙ୍କୁ stroke ହେଇଯାଇଛି already. ସେମାନେ କେତେ ଜଣ ତା ଦେହରେ ଭଲ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି? କିଛି ଅଛି ମାନେ have you any information?
They started the company in 2006. So they in 2022 they already tested the pro demo in a pig. So they have not tested on human.
This is tested in a pilot scale. But not in a wide.
Not in a human because it is illegal. So they have to prove for more.
Yeah.
So
robotic surgery is nowadays is a common thing. Okay. So even if in a small city like Cuttack, robotic operations holds. But this type of thing is a futuristic thing. But it is already started or not? Or only in pilot scale? Testing was already. Is that implemented in any of the hospitals in the US?
Hospitals, sir.
They have started with their own.
Oh.
They tested with a pig and a mouse, and they get a 100% result. But they have to prove the for legal notice for testing on humans.
ମାନେ ଏମାନଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇନି
फ्यूचर प्लानिंग अच्छी फ्यूचर प्लानिंग अच्छी ओके